Hey everyone, my name is Matt Isenbarger and I'm the Chief Revenue Officer at Freefly Systems. Freefly Systems has been around since 2011, making the world's toughest drones and fastest cameras. And we love working with YellowScan. Freefly does not have a booth at Commercial UAV Expo this year, but we're working with all of our partners to get lots of Freefly Astros and Freefly Alta X's out in the booths for customers to come see. We love working with YellowScan because they have a wide range of LiDARs for various applications and use cases. Whether it's one of their smaller products that fits on Astro Max, that's under 6.6 pounds of payload capacity, or one of their larger LiDARs that can fit on Alta X, which can carry up to 35 pounds or 15 kilos of capacity. So we see a lot of customers integrating the Voyager and Navigator, specifically on Alta X because of that range performance available from those scanners, as well as the green laser, which can see into water and get some bathymetric information for you. Yeah, we love working with YellowScan because they've really focused on ease of use and reliability. So we know no matter which LiDAR that we strap from YellowScan onto one of the Freefly drones, it's a simple push of one yellow button and you're off flying and collecting data reliably and as easily as possible. And then go process and their software to get all of the awesome analytics and measurements that you may need for your data set. We're seeing customers integrate YellowScan LiDARs for all sorts of applications. Obviously, traditional surveying and mapping customers. A lot of customers are also doing bathymetric scanning. So depending on the turbidity of the water, they can actually get topo of below the water surface, which is really interesting and unique to the LiDAR space. But you name it, the range of applications for LiDAR is wide, and customers are finding all sorts of new valuable insights into this data. Freefly and YellowScan will continue to work together in strategic ways to bring new LiDAR and flying LiDAR solutions to a mission near you. Because we have the ability to carry their full range of LiDARs, it makes it really interesting for those customers that do have mixed fleets, that you can go switch between an Astro, an Alta X, and any of the various YellowScan payloads based on your mission needs and requirements that day. So giving the customer tons of flexibility, but still that same ease of use that they've known and count on from YellowScan.